Yes.
We did talk about the solar disinfection, and this is how we do our solar disinfection. We take water, put in a bottle, we put it here for 6 hours, then after 6 hours it will be safe. All the kids will be picking each bottle to drink.
After 6 hours, the water is ready for drinking?
Very free.
Okay.
Free from any bacteria.
Okay.
It has been tested, tried, and found to be very successful.
You can even do this at home?
Yeah, you can do this at home.
Okay. Anybody else can copy this and do it at home?
We are teaching this technology everywhere within Nyalenda community.
Okay. Yeah. You are trying to do it to all Nyalenda people?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is done in Nanga Primary School, it is done in Panpiri Primary School, it is done in Ringo.
You have this in Panpiri Primary School?
Yeah, and we have this in Nanga.
In Nanga Primary School?
Yeah. It is a very successful technology and it is working.
Thank you.
And it has been proven to be cheap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.